Airplane mode, no pilot. She love the way I'm touching on the privates. Her nigga mad, she ain't picking up, so he called her private. I'm fucking with her vibes, and he do say. She said I'm grown through it, who say? Lame ass niggas, I'm like who, babe? Not you, babe. Body thick like a Cody B model. Gas in the air gelato. Water sweating from the bottle. PhD from ATL, she fine as hell. Gotta play it cool like a wine bottle. Tips to get a women in her feelings just to talk about her ex. You can see she love the nigga, but fuck the nigga. Just relax, babe. Dinner in a movie or just sex, babe. Take your mind. So yeah, guys, just waiting on someone to come in by the feet. See me with my Ralph Lauren shirt on. Any situations. But yeah, man, I was on what was I was on last night? Up Live or something like that yesterday. Last night, and I was on there with like 500 people. If you are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that bell for post notifications, and turn your notifications on, guys. I'll be right back after I sell these rims.
Later.
Alright guys, I'm back. As you can see, I had to get the lineup done. I did it myself. I had to get it done. I did the face situation done. Please do not mind me wiping my face, guys. It is hot out here. I don't know the degrees. It's probably in the 80s or the 90s. But if you think I did a good job, go ahead and hit that like button right now, guys. I am so lit. Yes, sir. And I never cut nobody here before. I think I did a good job, and I did my own eyebrows. I like to get my eyebrows done because I don't like bushy eyebrows. It don't go right with my face. Anyways, guys, I'm about to go downstairs and ask this dude that's working on my mother's car. I'm at my mom's house. I'm about to go down there and see how much he had charged. Let's go downstairs and ask him. First, I gotta put a shirt on. I wanna put a shirt on. Where's my shirt?
A few moments later.
Say, guys, I didn't want to be out there that long because it is so hot. Like, it is so hot. And I'm not about to be out there like that. Hopefully I can get my car fixed by before my birthday, which is July 12th. Which lands on a Sunday. So that's my baby right there. I had that for like that's a 2000 Grand Marquis, black on black. I had it done black on black. The lights is tinted except for the front light. Like, can you guys see that? Like the front light. The front light not tinted, but the side is tinted. The grill is black. The back is tinted.
3 hours later.
You ready?
Yeah.
I don't know.
This is air.
How you doing that shit?
This
That
is
shit
air.
so funny.
This is head. Airhead. Aha, yeah.
So excited! So excited!
Y'all retarded. Y'all retarded. Yeah, I fucking need help. Yo, listen. Alright, come on, man. Yeah, cause y'all ain't laugh at me. Joking around. Look at this. Yo, listen, it looked like my hairline way back here. This is a face. LeBron James.
Really, nigga?
Yo, stop hating on me, B.
That shit was mad.
Stop hating on me, B.
It was just mad calm with it. Yeah.